Is your computer acting up with slow performance or viruses? Fix My Computer Sanibel is here to help. Welcome to Fix My Computer Sanibel, your trusted repair service in Sanibel, Florida. We offer fast, reliable, and affordable computer repairs right at your doorstep. Whether it's a virus, slow speeds, or hardware issues, we've got you covered. Our team of expert technicians will come to your home or office to fix your computer on the spot. We handle everything from virus removal to hardware repairs and software troubleshooting. Wondering about the cost? We offer competitive rates with no hidden fees. At Fix My Computer Sanibel, we provide transparent pricing so you know exactly what to expect. Call us for a free diagnosis and same-day service availability. Need urgent computer repairs? We aim to get your computer back up and running as quickly as possible. Same-day service is available whenever possible. Choose us for convenient in-home or office repairs, expert technicians, and affordable rates. Don't let computer problems slow you down. Call us today at 239-382-7247 or visit fixmycomputersanibelfl.com to schedule your repair.